What's going on, everybody? Today, I'm gonna take my race car through the McDonald's drive-thru. For anybody new to the channel, this car is a Nissan S14, Honda Odyssey front end, Chevy small block, LS, whatever you want to call it, 4-speed dog box NASCAR transmission, full roll cage, tube front end, tube rear end. First, I actually gotta go get some gas.
Hello, can I get a McChicken?
McChicken?
Yep, that's it.
106 the first one down.
Alright, thank you.
There it is. Got my McChicken. The drive-thru people weren't too happy. Thank you. That was pretty fun, but before I let you guys go, I'd like to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, carmarshal.com. They have over 100,000 new and used cars online, so click that link in the description, check them out, carmarshal.com, they can get you a deal.